If you're trying to install Windows 11 and getting the error, "This PC can't run Windows 11, then the most common reason is that the TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are not enabled. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot from BIOS. This method works on almost all PCs, including both Intel and AMD systems. By the end of this video, your system will be fully ready for Windows 11 installation. Before we jump into the actual steps, let me quickly explain what TPM and Secure Boot are. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a security feature built into your motherboard or processor. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 to improve system security, protect your data, and enable features like BitLocker encryption. Secure Boot is another security feature that ensures only trusted operating systems can boot on your PC. Windows 11 requires both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot to improve overall system security. The good thing is, most modern PCs already support both. They are just disabled in the BIOS. First, let's check whether TPM is already enabled or not. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type tpm.msc and press enter. Now you'll see a window. If it says TPM is ready for use, then TPM is already enabled. If it says compatible TPM cannot be found, then we need to enable it from the BIOS. Now let's check Secure Boot. Press Windows plus R again. Type msinfo32 and press enter. In the system information window, look for Secure Boot state. If it says on, then you're good. If it says off, we'll enable it from BIOS. Now we need to enter the BIOS. For that, go to Settings. In Settings, search for Recovery. Then click on Recovery Options. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Now you'll see a blue screen. Click on Troubleshoot. Then Advanced Options. Then select UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart. Your PC will now boot into BIOS. Now this is the most important part. BIOS looks different on every PC, but the settings are almost the same. Once you enter BIOS, go to the Security tab. Inside the Security tab, select TCG Feature Setup. In my case, I'm using a Lenovo system, and here the TPM option is called Security Chip 2.0. Right now, you can see it's set to disabled. Simply select this option and change it to enabled. That's it. This will enable TPM on your system. Now here's something very important. On your computer, the name may be different, so you don't get confused. You just need to look for similar options. For example, on many Intel systems, it's usually called Platform Trust Technology or PTT. If you are using an AMD system, it's called fTPM. On some motherboards, it may also appear as Trusted Computing. If you are confused, just remember that anything related to security, TPM, fTPM or PTT is your TPM setting. You just need to enable it. Now let's enable Secure Boot. Again, go to the Security tab. In my Lenovo system, you can see an option called Secure Boot right here. Simply select it. Here, you will also see the Secure Boot option. Right now, it's set to disabled. Change this to enabled. That's it. Secure Boot is now enabled. Now press F10 to save changes. Click Yes. Your system will restart. After booting into Windows, press Windows plus R. Type tpm.msc. You should see that TPM is ready for use. Then press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32. Check Secure Boot state. It should be on. Now your PC is fully compatible with Windows 11 and you can install or upgrade to Windows 11 without any errors.